Daisy. Here, Daisy, 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 Daisy. Daisy. You found me. You finally found me. Can you say hi for the camera? Hi. I like to be pet. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, yes, hold my hand. Oh, yes, hold my hand. I am a girl. Oh, yes. I'm an Aussie, and I'm not to be sold anymore. They decided to keep me. Oh, yes. I thank them every day for keeping me. Hey, Daisy, guess what? What? You want me to scratch you there? Oh, yes. Oh, no, right here. Oh, yes. Guess what? What? I got to scratch my butt. No, not anymore. Yep. Guess what, Daisy? What? What? We're gonna go see the Black Panther. Without me? Yes, without you. Please take me. I'm sorry, but I can't take you. Why? Because, Daisy, you're not allowed in the movie theater. Why am I not allowed in the movie theater? Because it says no dogs allowed. Dogs can't go to the movies. That's not right. Bye.